Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload files in your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, what you guys need to do is simply go to drive.google.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. You just have to sign in to your Google account. Right here, this is my drive. Right now, let's simply try to upload files. Well, what you guys can do is simply click and drag files right here. Else, the systematic way to do it is simply click on this new button right here. Then it's gonna give you some few options like create a new folder, file upload, and folder upload. Well, it's up to you whether you want to upload a file or folder. I'm gonna upload a file right now. Once you click on it, this will open up. Simply select the file that you want to upload and hit on open. And as you can see, the file is being uploaded. It might take some time depending upon your network speed. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. And guys, that's about it. That's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.